This is a GLD with all the labelings that I had last time I covered it, and I was calling for a B. I was calling for a bounce. This bounce got underway, as you can see, and I treat it as nothing more than a B at this point. I will show you more detailed description of possible alternatives when we look at the chart for spot gold, but at this point in time here on the big scale, as you can see, this is just a B, and I expect it later on to give in to selling pressure, and it's going to come down and break through the floor and reach towards lower lows. Right here we are still working with the concept of this big triangle, okay, that I explained many times. So no change at this point. There is no need to change anything, okay. This bounce that we have seen in the last few days is just a preparation. It's a pause. It's a pause in the descent that will eventually carry on to lower level. We also have here, as you can see, sorry, clear development of a possible head and shoulders. That's shoulder, that's head, be it a bit complex head, okay, and that will be another shoulder. If it cracks under the floor at 114, then yes, we can claim we have a shoulder, head, shoulder, and that will easily carry it. The projection will take it easily towards 107. So that is the case of GLD. Here's gold, that is spot gold on 4-hour scale, and I'm showing here a complete run of 5 ways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with an extended fifth, and the workout here of what I assume is most likely a B. Okay, so it's pretty complex. It's going to be, in my opinion, on for quite a few more days. It's not going to be very quick. It's going to be quite complex. If I'm wrong and there's something a lot more bullish taking place and I'm missing out here, then the first sign that I could be missing out on something that is way more bullish than I expect is a jump above 1260, what I'm showing you here, and then sideways price action, and then I would assume that the momentum has demonstrated strength beyond what I would assume would be just a normal B. At that point, if you get anything like that, then my assumption would be it's going to run higher. It's going to run strongly above this level, and then of course I have to review my entire wave count. At this point in time, that is the zone where I think it's going to find its near future. Okay, it's just going to bounce up and down here. That should be a sign for you that there is a preparation here for further lows in the market, as it is likely to break under 1245, as stocks in the US and in many other markets are preparing for potentially extended run. To extend the run that they started courageously at the end of the week, yes, we could see gold coming under pressure here. Now here's silver. Silver, that's spot silver, that's the 4-hour scale. I'm working with a 1, 2, 3, and I told you this could be a fourth wave, and in fact all these arrows date from the last time I covered it, and you can see that largely it actually followed all my arrows. Look what's going on here. All the mess up here actually is really contained within the concept of a possible fourth wave. So I'm not going to change anything. Since it is working, why should I change? The idea is that we should not see a bout of strength that is going to make it pop its head above this level. That is 16.3 or so, okay, 16.3. This shouldn't happen. In the scenario that I am now working with, this shouldn't happen. If that happens, obviously something else is going on. It's possible it's actually indicating it wants to go a lot higher. Okay, it certainly would be the case if it establishes a base above 16.8. Right here, 16.886. Okay, anything that looks like that, that will be definitely very menacing for the bears. It could indicate that the momentum is seriously shifting and preparing for a very strong run. There is a risk that this could unfold in gold, in silver, and I'm saying risk for the shorts, of course. The reason why I bring it up is the recent strength that we have seen in the Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you are into connecting the dots between various markets, you should look into what's going on with the Australian dollar, US dollar. The strength there could be a leading signal that something big could be in a pipeline for the precious metals. But for now, I would advise you to, if you are trading the precious metals, you're following them actively, I would advise you to really stick to the levels that I've indicated, because as long as the market stays around here, momentum is not on the side of the bulls. Okay, and it is basically just a pause on the way to lower levels.